In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered error. This game requires Windows 10 version 1909 or later. This error means that you need to update Windows 10 to the latest version or upgrade to Windows 11. This guide will teach you how to update Windows without losing any files or without having to reinstall your programs or games. First, expand the description of this video and select the Windows 10 link to update your operating system, or select the Windows 11 link if you want to upgrade to Windows 11. Create Windows 11 installation. Select Download Now. Save the file and then double-click it. Press Yes, then accept the license terms. Now select your language, then press Next. Choose ISO file, then press Next to continue. Now choose your saving location, then name the ISO file as Windows 11 or 10 depending on the version you are downloading. Wait for the program to finish downloading the update. This might take a while if you have a slow connection. Close the window, then double-click the ISO you just downloaded. Locate the setup file, then open it to run the installer. Press Yes, then wait for Windows to install the required updates. Once it finishes, accept the terms again to continue with the installation process. Now make sure that the option to keep files and programs is selected. Press Next again. Press Install to begin the installation. This might take a while if your PC is slow or you have a lot of files. Just wait for the installation to end and then run your game. Now you can open a folder, right-click the ISO and select Eject. Now you have to decide if you want to keep the ISO file or delete it. It's up to you.